What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, including French, Italian and Spanish wine pronunciation videos. And today we're looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous chateau of the Bordeaux wine region of France, a famous Grand Cru Classé, a second growth of the famous 1855 classification of the wines from Médoc, and quite possibly the most complicated winery name to pronounce, to say, in the whole world. Is it? Well, maybe the Pichon Longueville Baron is actually harder. You let me know in the comments which one is harder for you to pronounce. As you know, there are two Pichon Longueville chateaux, the Baron and the Comtesse. And that's because in 1850, when the current owner of this flamboyant estate died, he was named the Baron Joseph de Pichon Longueville. His property was split between his two children, Raoul and Virginie. So Raoul's estate became Chateau Pichon Longueville the Baron, of course, because he was a man, and Virginie's became the Comtesse, Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse. See, it's so hard to say. In fact, when you go there, the two chateaux face each other. It's quite striking. One is just across the road from the other. Two very splendid chateaux and properties in the heart of Pauillac, by the way. Today, Pichon Longueville, the Comtesse de Lalande, is the property of famous Louis Roederer Champagne House. I made a video about everything you should know about Louis Roederer, by the way, so you can go and watch that after this. So how do you go about pronouncing Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande? Wow, this is definitely a mouthful. So Chateau, you know about Chateau, and then Pichon, not Pichon, but rather Pichon, and then Longueville, Pichon Longueville. So that's the heart, the essence, the core of the chateau name. But then, if you forget to say Comtesse, well, we don't know which one you're talking about. So don't forget to say Comtesse, Comtesse. The E at the end of Comtesse is fairly silent. You don't really insist on it or pronounce it. Just say Comtesse and then de and then Lalande. Lalande. The E at the end of Lalande is silent, but it implies that you do pronounce the D at the end. Because there's an E, you pronounce the D, otherwise it would be silent. So it's not Lalande, it's just Lalande. Lalande. So overall, Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande, located in Pauillac. I made a video about how to pronounce Pauillac better, so you can go and watch this as well. Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande. Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande. The typical French pronunciation, Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande. Chateau Pichon Longueville Comtesse de Lalande. Make sure to watch my video on how to pronounce Chateau Pichon Longueville or Baron de Pichon Longueville, so the Baron, and to give this video a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.